Hey guys, I'm going to do a thrift flip in today's video. I had this kurti for really long and decided to convert it into two cute summer tops. The first thing I'm doing is laying everything flat and marking a line from the slits of the kurti and cutting it out. Next, I'm going to draw a square shape around the neckline. I'm drawing the line as close as possible to the existing neckline. Now I'm measuring 3.5 inches on the shoulders and marking a point. From this point, I'm going to draw two straight lines which are parallel to the lines I just drew previously. Now from the end of these lines, I'm drawing a curved line till the end of the armpit, which will be our armhole. After that, I cut it all out. Now, I'm cutting a small slit that is approximately ½ inch at the edge of each sleeve. This will help us in hemming the fabric later. I'm doing the same to the other sleeve as well. I turned the top inside out and folded an edge of one sleeve twice and pinned it. This is called roll hemming, which I'll do to the other side of this sleeve and also to the other sleeve. I'll sew this down with a straight stitch. After that's done, I'm moving on to the neckline. I'm folding it twice and pinning and sewing it with simple straight stitch. I'm also going to do the same to the armholes and the back neckline as well. Now all we need to do is hem the bottom. Again, I'm doing the same thing of folding it twice, pinning and then sewing. Now turn the top inside out and try it on to see if it fits properly. If it's a little loose like mine was, add a dart on each of the sides. Our first top is ready. Now moving on to the second top, I took the bottom panels of the kurti and laid them flat. I put on one panels on myself and marked 3 points where I want the straps and how deep the neckline will be. Then I'm drawing a line from one point to the other that is ½ inch above these points. I'm measuring 3 inches from the side and drawing a line from the sleeve point to this point. And then I cut it out on only one panel. Now I'm cutting a small slit at the 3 points. Now again, I'm folding the edges twice, pinning them down and sewing it. This technically is not a thrift flip, guys. It's more like transforming your old clothes. But those are the words that work on YouTube, so we're gonna go with it. Now I'm laying the front panel and laying the back panel on it, and I'm making sure all the edges are aligned. I'm folding the top corners so that they align with the sleeves. I'm leaving a 1/2 inch gap and cutting these triangles out. After that's done, I'm folding, pinning and sewing the back neckline. Now for the straps, I took one of the sleeves of the kurti and I'm measuring and cutting 1 inch strips. Now I'm folding each of the strips in half and sewing them down. After that, I'm taking a safety pin and using it to turn each of the strips inside out. After you've done that with all the strips, iron them down. Now we will have to attach these straps to our front and back panels. I just pin them in place and sew them down with a straight stitch. After that, we have to attach the front and back panels. First, I'm laying the back panel and laying the front panel on it so that the right sides are together, and then sewing the sides down. After that's done, our second top is also ready. And now the reveal. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.